let me know first. Am I audible?
Yes.
Is the
Yes.
screen visible to you? The PPT visible to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, done. Done. So let's not waste the class time and let's start the class. So what I wanted to ask you is, so today is fifth class. Okay. So who else is new to the class? Just get the PPTs, and if you have a doubt related to the class, you can just visit our YouTube channel. There are already recorded videos available, and the videos from this lecture will be available very soon. Okay. So am I clear with it? So today's class is 5, and we are gonna start our class. And today, let us check out our class of of today. The date, we're gonna have 30% of the knowledge of C language. Okay. In this session, we are gonna have 30% of the knowledge in C language. And today's class, after this class, you will be able to understand the process of compilation, that is also known as translation in C language, and also the concept of variables, constants, identifiers, and keywords. So let's not waste the time and let's start the class. Okay, done. So let's get the first thing, that task one was on yesterday we have given a task to all you guys, that is finalized a logo. So we have finalized a logo, and that logo will be kept today, and the person who have created it will receive a prize from us. So let us check out all the logos and ask them who have made it. Okay, so from the bottom, yeah, whose logo was this one? Let me know the name. Whose logo was this one?
Suprita भैया.
Suprita. Okay, then this one.
Suprita.
Yeah,
Suprita.
who is that? I didn't get you.
Suprita भैया.
Okay, these two were from Suprita. Okay, done. Okay, whose one is this? Whose one is this?
Kavya.
Okay, whose one is this? This one.
Suprita.
Okay, this one.
Samriddhi.
Samriddhi. This one.
Samriddhi.
This one.
Yamuna.
Okay, this one. Finally, this one.
Kavya.
Okay, so remaining people haven't tried, but we have finalized the logo, and soon it will be available on the WhatsApp group, and the person will receive it, and the name will be not declared now. It will be declared after the class. Okay, am I clear? So these are the logos which were prepared by you, and among them few members haven't participated. I hope that in the next task you will be participating. Okay, so let's move further. Done. So let's first check out what we have cleared it. Okay, so according to the syllabus sheet which I have provided to you, if you check out in the PDF of it, we have completed the basics of computer, isn't it? Answer me so that it gets
Yes.
interactive. Okay, then we also completed introduction to the programming, isn't it? Programming languages, programming basics and all, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, bhaiya.
Okay, then also we have completed the introduction to the C language, the history, all the details of C language, isn't it?
Yes, bhaiya.
Yeah, and also basics of C language. Yesterday we have completed little basics of C language, isn't it?
Yes,
And
bhaiya.
also we are gonna have little basics today. The class will be on basics of C language. Okay, so we are on the fourth chapter, or you can say. Okay, am I clear on this part? So we have to complete the first chart of 10. We have little more topics, but this is the topic we are going to study right now. Okay, done. So let's move further. Okay, nice. So let's first understand the compilation of a C language. I hopefully think so that all you guys have gone through the code. Yesterday we have printed a statement, right? Jai Shri Ram. Did everyone printed it yesterday?
Yes.
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 Oh, yeah. So the code which we have written now, guys, the code which you have written, actually the code which you have written is called as source code. Okay, the file which you have created, right, with the name, some sort of name. I have created the file with sample. Okay, I hope you have remembering it, isn't it? Do you remember that I have created a file with sample.c and we have printed the statement here, that is Jai Shri Ram. So what I mean to say is actually the file we have created, in the terms of computer we call it a source code. Okay, this file is called as source code. This file is called as source code. Okay, yeah, this file is called as source code. And .c was extension of C language, C4. It says that the file is of C programming language. Done. Is it clear to you till now? I hope it's clear.
Yes.
So the code which we have written in a file with extension .c is our source file name, and the file which is called as source code, the code which is present inside is called as source code. Okay, this source code is given to compiler. Let us understand what is a compiler. Okay, compiler is a sort of translator. Okay, compiler is something which is a translator. Compiler is a translator. Okay, is it clear? Which translates this C language to object code. Am I clear till now? In any doubts? If you have any doubts, let me know first. Till this. If you are clear till this, let me know. Yes? Anyone has
Yes.
doubt related? Okay, done. So what I mean to say is, understand thing that compiler is a sort of translator which translates the C program into a object file. Object file, what are object files? Let me show you what is actually a object file. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Object
Yes.
file, object file is something, which has half binary code. Okay, half binary code and half source code. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
It is a file. Object file is a file which is having the half binary code, that is 0 and 1, and half code which is sample code. Is it clear right now? Done. So let's move further and understand. Then this object file which is compiled and created is given to a linker. Now what is a linker? Linker is a sort of kind of catalyst. It's like a catalyst. If you are from a science background, you might know that what is a catalyst. Catalyst is like a thing that helps in reactions, isn't it? So simply, linker is a sort of mechanism in computer which helps the header files. You might have seen the header files yesterday, right? If anyone is attended to the class, yesterday's class, they know what is header file, isn't it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let me have a question with you. We have Gayatri. Gayatri, just open your mic so that I can have a question to you.
हाँ भैया.
Yeah, Gayatri, let me know what is a header file. What is a header file? What is a header file?
It is a file which have details of the function.
Very good, very good, superb. You have a good answer. Yeah. So, okay, let me know one thing, that where are these header files located of C language? Where are these header files located actually? Do you know? Anyone
No.
who knows that the location of the header files in a local device?
I know.
Yeah, let me know who is that particular and answer it. Where it is.
Kavya.
Okay, where it is located.
Firstly, we have to go to the file manager.
Okay,
In that, we have to move to this PC. We will be
okay,
having MinGW.
okay.
In that, we will be having in section. There we
Include section
will
in the
get the
min. Okay, just wait. In the include section, we in the directly into the min GW, and then directly to include section. Directly include section. Or else we have anything else between this, like bin. Did you forget, everyone?
Yes,
I
I
think so.
think
You have
it
forgot.
is been
Bin. There is a bin. Okay, bin folder. In the bin folder, we have header file. Okay, clear? Yeah.
okay.
So
Yes.
this linker, what does this linker helps is, this linker helps to include the header files required for the sample file, which sample file having the source file and also binary code, isn't it? Is it clear till now? This linker helps to include the header files to the particular object file. Is it clear? Guys, no one is responding.
Yes.
What's the reason? Yeah. Then this code which is linked with the object file, this object file is given to after the linking, this object file is created as execution file. This is the execution file has the extension that exe. Okay, is it clear? See, let us see that what these things actually are. I'll show you the thing. I'm getting back of the screen. I'm getting back out of the screen. Yeah, I'll show you one thing. Just a minute, okay? Just a minute. Is it visible? Is my screen visible to you?
Yes.
My screen is visible to you, right? Okay, good. So let us open the VS Code yesterday's class. Okay, C Sigma course. In this, I'm opening the VS Code. Done. I hope you know the opening of the file in VS Code. Isn't it clear, right? See, actually, see, after I have compiled the program now, if you check out here, see, if you check out here now, in this place, this is the file which is called execution file. This is actually execution file which has some sorts of zeros and ones and also the half code. Okay, clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
This is actually the execution file. See, how can we identify? See, in this it is first dot c, right? See this program, what I mean to say it, this one. In this, see, this is the .c program which is called what? Sample file or sample code, source code. Okay, source code. This is called source code, isn't it? Also, we have a .c. See, there is also a code which is having .exe, isn't it? The file with .exe is called execution file. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's move further. I hope you have understood what actually happens with the compilation of C language. So let's move further and understand the thing. I hope it's clear till now. Let me open the PPT first. Yeah. See, okay, we are back into the PPT. See, after this execution file is created, when we run the program, what happens? When we run the program by the CPU, which is present inside your computer, which is also called as which is also known as your operating system, or else the chipset. Done. This chipset helps, or the processor helps to output the details of the particular program into the black colored console. This is called as console or output screen, which you have in the corner of the screen. Isn't it clear?
Yes.
Clear? Okay, let me
Yes.
show you. Just a minute. So we are back into the screen, and I have opened this window, VS Code. Okay, I hope it's clear. It's visible to you. See, this is the code which we have written, and I'm erasing the screen. Yeah. See, this is the code which we have written, right? This is the code.
Yes.
This is the code which we have written. What I mean to say, I'll close this file. Okay, I'll close this file. And I'll open it again. See, I have opened it, and now see, if I run it right from here, if I run it, what happens? The processor of my computer, just simply given the output here. See, is the output visible to you? This part. See,
Yes.
there is output here, isn't it? What happened? It
Yes.
converted my source file .c file to a object file. Then this object file is linked with the linker. which has the header files, and thus then linker helped the object file to create an execution file, that is exe, and then this exe with the help of CPU or the processor made the execution to the console. So this is the this part of the any terminal or else any programming help IDE is called terminal. See, this is terminal, right? Or also you can call it, see, there is also written debug console and all. So this is actually console, SQL console. So console is something where the output is given. Is it clear to you? I hope it's clear. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
This is the process of compilation. Okay. So let me have a little more one thing, that what is the problem with the compilers. See, let us just make a error. See, I have made an error, isn't it? I have made an error, right? See, there is a red color detailing here. It's giving an error like this place. You can observe. Can you observe it? This part. It's
Yes.
giving me an error that I have not mentioned this two semicolons here, isn't it? I have not mentioned the two semicolons here. There is a problem with this place. కనబడుతుందా అందరికి? ఈ పార్ట్
Yes,
ఈ
yes.
పార్ట్ ఎర్రర్ చూపిస్తుంది కదా, ఇక్కడ ఈ పార్ట్ లో ఎర్రర్ చూపిస్తుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మనం సెమీకోలన్ పెట్టలేదు కాబట్టి. డన్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే వాట్ వీఆర్ గోనా డూ, we will run it. Okay, we will run it and let's see what happens. So I'm running from this place. I have run it, and let's check out what the console says us. Okay, let's check out what the console says us. I'm running the code. See, what did it say? First program error. See, it is giving error, right? See, is it written error here? Can you see it? Error.
Yes.
It is giving me that there is a error, and also it's saying that is part mein where the error is, and also what to mention. See, it is giving the suggestion too. Okay, clear? So what I mean to show you నేను ఏం చూపించాలనుకుంటున్నానంటే, చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఈ పీపీటీ చూస్తే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. జస్ట్ అ మినిట్, నేను ఓపెన్ చేస్తా. ఓకే, what I mean to show you is this part. See, if ఇక్కడ చూడండి, if there is a error in the program, ఓకేనా, ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో ఏమైనా ఎర్రర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, కంపైల్ చేస్తుంది. కానీ ఒకవేళ అందులో ఎర్రర్స్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ శాంపుల్ కోడ్ పంపించి ఆ కోడ్ ని మళ్ళీ రీకరెక్ట్ చేయండి అని చెప్తుంది. టు కరెక్ట్ ద ఎర్రర్స్, ద కంపైలర్ త్రో బ్యాక్స్ ద కోడ్ అగైన్ టు ద శాంపుల్ కోడ్, అగైన్ టు ద సోర్స్ కోడ్. ఓకే, క్లియర్?
Yes.
డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఏమైనా ఇక్కడ? ఈ పార్ట్లో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? కంపైలేషన్ పార్ట్ కంప్లీటెడ్. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా చెప్పండి.
तो भैया स्टार्टिंग से समझाओगे थोड़ा?
फिर से समझाओ. डिडंट गेट यू. नहीं समझ में आया?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं अभी घर आया ना, इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा ही सुना.
अच्छा सुनो, तुमको ना मैं पर्सनली समझा दूंगा, बिकॉज ना इट विल टेक लिटिल लॉन्गर. डन. मैं तुमको पर्सनली
ओके
समझा
भैया,
दूंगा. थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं, ठीक है?
ओके.
Okay, anyone else has a doubt? Let me know, because if anyone has, let me know. In this section, do anyone has problem with this compilation? Answer me. If you won't, I don't understand if you have a problem or not.
No.
No, right? Okay.
We understood.
Okay, so let me ask a question in this page only, because it's very important to. Okay, if are you maintaining a notes? If not, it's okay, but if you are maintaining, very good. So let me know, what does this file is called? Anyone can answer.
Source code file.
Source code file. Okay, what does this is called? Another name of this?
Translator.
Okay. Okay, very good. What does this do? Linker, what does this do? What is the work of this?
Helps to include the header files in the particular object file.
Very good. Okay, very good. What is this? What is this actually?
Operating system or the CPU.
Very good.
Which helps
Okay, what?
the output
Very good.
screen.
Very good. What is this? What is this?
Output screen or the
Very good.
console.
Okay, good. Okay, let's move further. Done. Let's move further. Okay, I'll help Prabhat to understand it later. Done, because there is a little more larger things to get. So
Bhaiya,
I
I
hope
have
you have
a doubt.
understood. Okay, ask me. Let me know.
Bhaiya, until the error is gone,
हाँ
कंपाइलर कीप्स टू द सोर्स कोड, मतलब जब तक वो क्लियर नहीं होता तब तक वो ऑब्जेक्ट फाइल में नहीं जाता है।
exactly. Okay, see source code, this is called source code. Then we have compiler, which compiles the program to what? To into a byte object code. Is it clear? Object code. Okay, let me just make you clear what actually happens. Then we have src dot object. What is this src? It's a file name. Okay, it is a file name. Then we have our linker, which helps to link the header files. Okay, header files. Then what happens? Can anyone answer me? What happens next?
Execution of the file.
Execution file is created .exe. It means that key a file will be created with a name src.exe. Okay, clear? Clear? Then after this, what happens?
CPU.
Yeah, CPU. Exactly. CPU, which is also known as your OS. Okay, just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Okay, CPU. And then what has happened? Then the console screen. Isn't it? Clear, right? Clear? I hope it's clear. This is very easy to understand. Okay. So,
Yes.
okay, let's move further. And we are into the next part. So, we are into the next part and let's move further. Yeah. Next, let us understand what are tokens in C language. Hopefully it is visible, I think so, and there is no problem with the audio, I hope so, isn't it? Let me know in the in between, because I think so my network is that good now, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, what are C tokens? What are C tokens? See, C tokens are those, these are like building blocks of C language. Without these tokens, without these tokens, you can't prepare a C language code. Okay, you can't prepare a source code without these. These are like building blocks. Building blocks in the sense, acha, who have played the game of building in the early stages of your younger age? Like, bachpan mein you have might seen that there will be something toys like this, these type of toys, like there will be a square and there will be some sort of these things like above, and you can fix another square over it, similar, which has a
Yeah.
sort of place in it. Do you know what I mean to say? I hope think you have understood what I mean to say.
Yes.
So similarly, that type of things are called these tokens. Without these tokens, so everything in the program of the C are tokens only. Okay, everything in the C program are tokens. Like this one, these are brackets, right? Also these semicolons, the printf functions, isn't it? The int statement, the main statement. I'll let you know. It might be not that clear, but in very soon you'll understand what these things are. Okay, hopefully. Let's move further. So in the tokens we have keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, special symbols, operators, and also these are all we can also say it as variables. Let it be variables. Okay, so these things are the tokens of C language. Okay, am I clear?
Yes.
We will understand this in detail. Okay, we will understand everything in detail. So let's move further and understand the things with an example. Okay, let us assume an example. Let us to understand the concept of variables. It is important to understand the concept of variables, and then we'll understand what actually variable is. So let's have a example. Okay, who want to be the example of me? Let me have an example. Like one of you, I want to make an example. Who is comfortable with the example? Let me know. Okay, the new member. Your name? What's your name? The new girl. Whose first day is today?
Srima Bhaiya.
Okay, listen. You need to be interactive in the class because it's very important for me to understand that you are understanding the concept. Okay, clear?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So Shrima is that
Okay,
particular
Bhaiya.
child. Okay, good, very good. So let us example. This girl is Shrima. Okay. So this girl is Shrima. Let's understand that this girl is Shrima, and also make that ki Shrima's mother. Okay, let's keep Suprita as her mother. Clear? let us example with Shuprita as her mother. Done? Am I clear till now? So in this example, we have Shrima and her mother. What actually happening is, let us understand that her mother says Shrima that bring me the sugar dabba from the kitchen. Okay, Shrima's mother says that ki go and bring me the sugar dabba. Done? It's clear till now?
Yes.
Then what happens actually is,
Yes.
then Shrima goes to the kitchen to bring the sugar dabba. When she arrives to the kitchen, she finds that there are so many dabbas and things all around in the shelf of the kitchen, but she doesn't understand which dabba to bring. Is it clear to you? Then she waits for a while and she shouts from the kitchen to her mother that what dabba and where is the location of the dabba? Let me know so that I can bring it. Her mother, on the next step, says that the dabba in the third row, in the second place, is placed and has a label of sugar. Has a label of sugar. This statement is given by her mother, that is Shuprita. I think so. Shuprita, right? Name? Yeah, Shuprita. So after Shuprita says that, her mother, her daughter, then Shrima gets to an idea that where the actual dabba is located. Then what actually happens is Shrima founds the location of the sugar. See, it's in the, okay, let me know. Okay, I'll call one of the person and I'll ask them. So I have Amrin. Are you available here? Open your mic if you are. Yeah, Amrin, let me know where is the sugar dabba located. Can you locate it me? I want to go to that particular place. Where is it?
In the third row, left corner.
In the left corner? Where?
Yeah. Third row.
Third row. Okay, this is first row, this is second row, and this is third row. Done. So from in this location, is this one the sugar dabba or this one or this one? Which one?
The one near the where you wrote the number, left side.
This
to my
one?
left side.
Okay.
Yes.
I hope this one is that one, right? I hope this one is the thing, isn't it? This one, right?
Yes, Bhaiya.
The green tea. Okay, done. So if you are aware with the particular thing that there is a label on it and you know that it is a sugar, then you can grab out that yeah, this is actually sugar. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. So what actually variable is, I wanted to explain you that variable is something. Okay, variable is something which has a memory location and has a name and stores something inside it. Okay, let's understand it in detail what actually a variable is. So what I mean to say is that, see, let's understand variable. Let's understand variable actually. Okay, see, variable is something. See, variable is something which stores data. It's like a container. Firstly, it's like a container. As this was a sugar container, right? When you have a doubt, let me know in between also. It's okay. See, it's a container which can store anything. Which can store anything. Okay. Is it clear to you till now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let us
Yes.
understand with an example. There is 1 kg of sugar. Okay. Done. We have 1 kg of sugar. Okay. When also one dozen. Okay. Also 1 dozen of eggs. We have 1 dozen of eggs. And we have 1 liter of oil. Okay, done. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, what I mean to say is, there is a container, okay, which has a name, that is sugar, that has a name with sugar, and in this you can keep anything of 1 kilo, 1 kg. Done. Anything of 1 kilo. So let's keep, firstly, Can I keep 1 kg of sugar into it? Is it possible? One answers.
Possible.
Possible, right? So done. Okay, can I keep 1 liter of oil into it in this container?
Possible.
Yeah, possible. Also, if let us assume that yeah, we can also keep 1 dozen of eggs into it. The container is little larger. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah. So one thing, can I keep 2 kg of sugar
No.
into this?
No.
No, right? No,
No.
right? Yeah. What I mean to explain you is variable is something which has a fixed size, okay, but varying nature of name. Like if I change the name, let us understand that if I change the name and keep it uh, undo, okay, null, I'm keeping it null, anything you can keep, okay, null, there is nothing. So can I change the name of the label after removing any label and keeping a new label and naming it with any other name? Isn't it? Is it possible, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So variable is something vary which can.
Bhaiya, we can't hear your voice.
Sorry guys, I haven't opened the mic. Okay, let me go again. Okay, let me go again so that you can understand it. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, see what is actually a variable. What I mean to say is what is actually a variable. Is it audible now?
Yes.
Okay, what is a variable according to that particular thing? Variable is something which stores data. Okay, variable is something which stores data. Keep notice on this word data. Okay, data is very important. I'll talk about it in later, but just now keep that key. It stores some data. Okay, then we have one thing that it also uh, it stores data. It has a name. It has a name that is also known as variable name, and it changes, vary. Okay, it varies, and also we can say it changes. Done. I'll explain you how it happens. And then variable is something which has a location. Clear? Which has some location at where? In the memory. I hope it's clear till now, right? It's clear till now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let me know. Can we store anything in air? In an air? हवा में रख सकते हैं किस चीज को? Is it possible in physics?
No.
No.
Gravity खींच लेगा, right? It's not possible, right? So there should be a container, isn't it? There should be a container to keep. Similarly to that, variable is something which is like a container and it can store anything into it. Done? I hope it's clear till now.
Yes.
Is it clear? So let's move further and understand what actually these things actually mean and all. So I hope it's clear till now. We will talk much about it in later. So let's come to this particular thing. What are these things? Okay. Okay, let me explain you about data. Okay, before that, let me explain you about data. Yeah. So let me know one thing. Okay, memory. Let's talk about memory. Okay, let's talk about memory first. Okay, do you know what is this is, what this is, what this thing is, what this thing is, and what these things are? Do you, anyone knows? Let me know first. Anyone who knows it? But yeah, this thing is like exactly this. Pata hai what it is? Anyone knows?
Pen drive,
I think
memory.
it's memory card.
Yeah. See, this is actually your SSD, you can say, sort of SSD or chipset. Okay. RAM also, you can say it's a RAM. Let's keep it as a RAM, and let us remove this thing. Yeah. So this is RAM, this is SSD, this is pen drive, and this is actually server. I'll let you know what is actually server. This is actually what it is called, memory card, right? Isn't it? It's like a memory card. This is also a memory card, 16 GB memory card. This is also SSD. Okay, what I meant to say is these are sources of what? Storage. Hai na? What do we do with these things? We just store something inside it, isn't it? We just store something inside them. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yeah, respond to me because I want to know that you're active or not. Okay, respond to my words if possible. So the thing is, see, yeah, these things are those which has some sorts of sources of storing. These are like storage. This can be like a storage. Okay, so what I mean to explain you is let's go deep inside it and understand what actually our storage is. Okay, so just see this. See, if we just see a memory card, अगर आप लोग देखोगे ना, okay, let me go with Telugu. It will be much easy to understand, make you understand. Okay, see, మీ అందరికి మెమరీ కార్డ్ చూసి ఉంటారు కదా అందరూ కూడా. Everyone, respond to me, please. I request you guys.
Yes.
See,
Yes, yes.
yeah. So if you have seen it, see there will be golden strip inside it like this. అలాంటి గోల్డెన్ స్ట్రిప్ ఉంటుంది చూసారా, అలా బైట్స్ కింద డివైడ్ అయి ఉంటాయి బోల్డ్ అని స్క్వేర్ రెక్టాంగిల్స్ లో చూసే ఉంటారు కదా.
Yes.
సో దిస్ ఈజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఫిజికలీ నాట్ దాట్ విజిబుల్ టు సీ. ఓకేనా, ఇది అంతగా కనబడదు. అలాంటప్పుడు ఇఫ్ యూ చెక్అవుట్ ఇన్ కంప్యూటర్ టర్మ్స్ అదేం చెప్తుందంటే these individual bits, see this individual bit, when we see in a microscope like this, it's visible like this. Okay, this is like this one, and these are individually called as bits. I'll let you know what actually bits and all are. So before that, understand this is actually a storage place, and inside the storage we have these type of things. Okay, this type of band, these are called band. Okay, band of storage. Okay na, ఎంతవరకు అర్థమైందా? అర్థమైంది ఎంతవరకు? సో లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఫర్దర్ అండ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ యాక్చువల్లీ దీస్ బిట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఓకేనా? సో ఒకటి చెప్తున్నా. ఓకే, మీకు ఎంబీ అంటే ఐడియా ఉందా? ఎంబీ, జీబీ, కేబీ.
Megabyte.
యా, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. ఎంబీ అంటే మెగాబైట్, జీబీ అంటే గిగాబైట్, కేబీ అంటే కిలోబైట్. ఓకేనా? ఇవన్నీ ఏంటి? యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టోరేజ్, యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ మెమరీ ఆల్సో వీ కెన్ సే. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే.
సో లెట్ మీ నో, ఒక హ్యూమన్ బాడీ ఉంది. ఓకేనా, ఒక హ్యూమన్ బాడీ ఉంది. అందులోని లెట్స్ టేక్ అవుట్ ద కిడ్నీ. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద, లెట్ us assume that this is the kidney. So this is called organ, isn't it? No one has response to me.
Yes.
I'll get
Yes.
answer. ऐसे बात करा करो ना. I'll not understand if you're listening or not, and I think that I'm not explaining that good. So let me know because I would get confidence. अगर नहीं बोलोगे ना, I don't get confidence. Is it clear? Respond to me
Yes.
whenever possible.
Yes.
See,
Yes.
this is called organ. When we cut it, we have a compound. Let us understand this is a compound, the smallest part of it. After this compound is divided into much further, we have molecules in solid state. These are called molecules of solid state. Then what we have, when we go further more, we have atom. Okay, we have atom. And when we go much more inside it, we have electron, proton, neutron, isn't it, which revolves all around it. Proton and neutron into the nucleus, and the electrons revolve it inside around it, isn't it?
Yes.
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 ఇదే కదా అవుతుంది. Is it working? Is it happening inside anything? Isn't it?
Yes.
సో
Yes.
దీనికుంటా ముందుకి ఇంకా కట్ చేయొచ్చా? దీనికుంటా ముందుకి ఇంకా ఫర్దర్ గా కట్ చేయొచ్చా? ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
No.
లీస్ట్
No.
పార్ట్ ఈస్ లైక్ ప్రోటాన్, ఎలక్ట్రాన్, న్యూట్రాన్, అంతే కదా. దానికుంటే ఇంకేం కట్ చేయలేం ఫర్దర్ గా. లాస్ట్ ఆర్ దోస్ ఓన్లీ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద సైన్స్,
Yes.
isn't it? According to science, that is the last. Similarly to that, bits. This bits, ఏదైతే బిట్స్ అని రాసానో, బిట్స్ is the smallest unit of memory. Is it clear now?
Okay.
మెమరీలో స్మాలెస్ట్ యూనిట్ అనేది బిట్స్. ఓకేనా? సో ఐ
Yeah,
వాంటెడ్ టు సే
Bhaiya.
దిస్ థింగ్. ఎనీ డౌట్స్ టిల్ నౌ? ఎనీ డౌట్స్ at this place? ఇక్కడ ఏం డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా?
No.
Clear.
No.
చెప్పండి, ఎవరికి డౌట్ ఉందో చెప్పండి. No one? No one has doubts?
No.
No.
Okay. Okay, done. Let's move further. See, this is the data chart. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు మీకు చెప్తున్నాను కొన్ని, అది అర్థం చేసుకోండి. See, what I wanted to say you is, see, ఒక బిట్, ఈచ్ బిట్, ठीक है, దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇండివిజువల్ బిట్స్. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ బిట్స్. ఓకేనా? ఇలాంటి ఇండివిజువల్ బిట్స్ ఒక 8 సింగిల్ గా ఉన్నదాన్ని బిట్ అంటారు. ఓకేనా? సింగిల్ గా ఉన్నదాన్ని బిట్ అంటారు. కంబైన్ అయిపోయి ఒక 8 బిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, దాన్ని బైట్ అంటారు.
Byte.
ఓకేనా? ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
Okay.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ठीक है. 8 बिट्स को मिला के वी कॉल इट एज बाइट. सी हियर, बाइट, 8 बिट्स. ओके, is it
Okay.
clear? Then we have kb. See, this is called b. Then we have kb. What is that? When we combine 1024 bytes, we get a kb. Okay na?
Okay.
ఈ ఒక్క, ఇది ఒక, exactly. Then we have 1024 kbs, we get a mb, megabyte. ఒక మెగాబైట్, ఒక MB లో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 1024 kb ఉంటాయి. క్లియర్ ఇది?
1024.
అలాగా అన్నిట్లో 1024 చూడండి. ఇంకా ఫర్దర్ అన్నిట్లో కూడా 1024. ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో మాత్రమే 8. ఓకేనా? ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోగలరు కదా చాలా ఈజీగా. ఐ హోప్ ఇట్స్ క్లియర్. సి,
Okay.
we have first we have
Yes.
bits. First we have bits, then we have byte, then we have kb, that is kilobyte, then we have megabyte, then we have gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, hexabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte, బ్రాంటోబైట్, జియోపోబైట్. ఓకేనా? ఇంతకుంటే ఫర్దర్గా వెళ్ళట్లేదు, ఇంతవరకు చాలు. డన్.
Yeah.
Okay.
సి, మనం లోకల్ కంప్యూటర్స్ లో టీబీ వరకే వాడతాం. టీబీ 1 TB హైయెస్ట్, 2 TB హైయెస్ట్, 3 TB హైయెస్ట్. ఓకేనా? దీనికుంటే పైకి ఎక్కువ వాడరు ఎవరు కూడా. మోస్ట్లీ జీబీలోనే వాడతాం. 512 GB హైయెస్ట్ అయితే నేను విన్నది. నా ల్యాప్టాప్ లో అయితే 512 GB ఉంది. ఓకేనా?
Okay.
ఇస్ ఇట్? సో
Okay.
యా, మీ ల్యాప్టాప్స్ లో కూడా మోస్ట్లీ 1 TB, దానికుంటే పైకి ఎవరు కూడా వాడలేదు లోకల్లో. కానీ సూపర్ కంప్యూటర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, సూపర్ కంప్యూటర్స్, వాటికి ఇంకా పైన ఉంటాయి. పెటాబైట్, హెక్సాబైట్, జెటాబైట్. అట్ ద ఎండ్ ఇవన్నీ ఏంటి? స్టోరేజ్ కి మాత్రమే. ఓకేనా? స్టోరేజే, ఎనీథింగ్ కాదు, స్టోరేజ్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ అండర్స్టూడ్ ద లోవెస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ స్టోరేజ్. ఓకేనా? క్లియర్?
Okay.
క్లియర్ టిల్ నౌ? లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఫర్దర్. ఓకేనా?
Okay.
వెళ్ళిపోదామా ముందుకి? ఓకే.
Okay.
So
Bhaiya.
what I wanted to explain you is, let's have a small fun fact. Okay, let me ask a question. Did you all guys ever experienced, ఒక విషయం అవుతుంది మీతోని, లైక్ మీ ఫోన్ లో ఏమొచ్చి ఒక మెసేజ్ వస్తుంది, 100% డేటా కంప్లీట్ అనేసి. ఇజంట్ ఇట్? ఒక మెసేజ్ వచ్చింది ఎప్పుడైనా సరే, వస్తుంది కదా. వచ్చిన
Yes.
తర్వాత కూడా మీరు స్మాల్ మెసేజెస్ లైక్ వాట్సాప్ మెసేజెస్ కానీ, చిన్న చిన్న డీటెయిల్స్ అంటే లైక్ ఏవైనా నార్మల్ పిక్చర్స్ కూడా మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఐడియా ఉందా మీకు? ఎప్పుడైనా చేశారా? ట్రై చేశారా?
Yes.
100% అయిపోయినా కూడా మీ డేటా అనేది లైట్ గా కొంచెం పనిచేస్తుంది, అంతే కదా.
Yes.
అది ఎలా పనిచేస్తుంది అంటే కొంచెం అర్థం చేసుకుందాం. ఎవ్రీవన్ థింక్ దట్ కి 1 GB మే 1000 MB ఉంటుంది అని అనుకుంటారు. మోస్ట్లీ ఇంతవరకు అందరికీ అదే అనిపించేది, లైక్ 1000 MB ఉంటుంది అనేసి. అండ్ ఆల్సో ద నెట్వర్క్ బ్యాండ్స్ లైక్ ఎయిర్టెల్, and all, they also send the message when it is completed 1000 MB అయిపోతే అలా పంపిస్తారు. ఓకేనా, అంటే 1 GB, నియర్లీ 1 GB అలా అనుకుందాం. Let us assume that we have 1 GB of data, and when it is completed 1000 MB, the Airtel server or any Jio server people gives us a message that 100% of data is completed. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
గాని
Yes.
గాని గాని మన దాంట్లో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? ఇప్పుడే చదివాం. ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 1024.
1024.
మరి 24 MB బతుకుతుంది కదా. ఈ
Yes.
24 MBనే మనం అక్కడ ఎక్స్ట్రాగా యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు కూడా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ ఎవరైనా అడిగారు అనుకో క్వశ్చన్, మోస్ట్లీ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో అడుగుతారు, హౌ కెన్ యూ యూస్ దట్ ఎక్స్ట్రా, అలా అయిపోతే ఎలా యూస్ చేయొచ్చు అని. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఓకేనా?
Okay.
ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ టు యూ?
Okay,
ఏదైనా
Bhaiya.
కొత్తగా తెలిసిందా?
Yes.
లెట్ మీ నో ఇఫ్ యూ. ఓకే, ఏవైనా మీకు ముందు నుండి తెలుసా లేకపోతే కొత్తగా ఏమైనా తెలిసిందా? లెట్ మీ నో ఫస్ట్.
కొత్తగా తెలిసింది.
ఓకే, గుడ్. ఐ hope that it is useful to you. ఓకేనా? So let's
Okay.
move further and complete the class as soon as I can. So let's move further. This is the fun fact we had. Okay, let us understand what is data and data types. ఓకేనా, కొంచెం పేషెన్స్ పెట్టండి. మీరు ఇవన్నీ చాలా ఈజీ అంటే చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ గా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే,
Okay.
so let us understand what actually data types are and information is. So first, before, మీకు ముందే చెప్పాను కదా, వేరియబుల్స్ చెప్తున్నప్పుడు డేటాని స్టోర్ చేస్తుంది అనేసి. అంతే కదా, వేరియబుల్ అనేది డేటాని స్టోర్ చేస్తుంది అని చెప్పాను. సో యాక్చువల్లీ వాట్ ఈస్
Yes.
డేటా? వీ షుడ్ నో వాట్ యాక్చువల్లీ డేటా ఈస్. ఓకేనా, వీ షుడ్ నో వాట్ యాక్చువల్లీ డేటా ఈస్. సో లెట్ us అండర్స్టాండ్ డేటా ఈజ్ సంథింగ్ విచ్ ఈజ్ రా ఫ్యాక్ట్. రా ఫ్యాక్ట్ అంటే దానికంటూ మీనింగ్ లేదు, కానీ అది ఫ్యాక్ట్, అది ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది, కానీ దానికంటూ ఒక మీనింగ్ లేదు, విచ్ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ పర్టికులర్ మీనింగ్. క్లియరా ఎంతవరకు? Data is something
Yes.
which doesn't have a particular meaning. It is a raw fact and it exists in real life. అవి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఉంటాయి, అది ఎగ్జిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉంటాయి, కానీ దానికంటూ పర్టికులర్ మీనింగ్ అనేది ఉండదు. క్లియరా? సో లెట్ us
Clear.
అండర్స్టాండ్ విత్ అన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. We have sugar, milk, coffee, a gas with a tumbler and a gas, stove with a tumbler and a gas. ఓకేనా, ఇవి మనం ఇండివిజువల్ గా చూసాం అనుకో, ఇండివిజువల్ గా అంటే ఒంటరిగా, వీటిని ఎలా ఒంటరిగా చూస్తే వి డోంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఎనీ మీనింగ్. లైక్ ఈవెన్ చేయొచ్చా? సింగిల్ గా ఉంటే ఈవెన్ చేయొచ్చా మనం వాటిని?
Nothing.
యా, వెన్ దే ఆర్ ఇన్ సింగిల్ ఫామ్, ఇవి ఎప్పుడైతే సింగిల్ లో ఉన్నాయో దాన్ని డేటా అంటాం రా. ఓకేనా, ఇంత క్లియర్ గా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఏవైనా యూనిట్ ఏదైనా సరే ఒక సింగిల్ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉందనుకో, దాన్ని డేటా అంటాం. అదే
Okay.
అదే దాన్ని మనం కంబైన్ చేసి ఏదైనా ఫైనల్ ప్రోడక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం అనుకో, ఫైనల్ ప్రోడక్ట్ కాఫీ, లైక్ కాఫీ, ఐ హావ్ క్రియేటెడ్ అ కాఫీ, దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. ఓకేనా,
Okay.
సో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈజ్ సంథింగ్ విచ్ ఇస్ ఆర్గనైజ్డ్ డేటా, అంటే కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ డేటా ఆర్ ఆర్గనైజ్డ్ డేటా. ఓకేనా,
Okay.
లెట్ మీ నో. ఓకే,
Okay.
సో వన్ థింగ్, మనం కంప్యూటర్ లో ఇన్పుట్ ఇస్తాం కదా, ఆ ఇన్పుట్ అనేది డేటా రా, మనం ఇండివిజువల్ గా ఇస్తాం కాబట్టి. కానీ మనకి అవుట్పుట్ ఏమొస్తుందంటే ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఆ ఇన్పుట్ ని యూస్ చేసి మనకి అవుట్పుట్ లో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ టు యూ? ఇంతవరకు క్లియర్ అయిపోయిందా?
Yes.
లెట్ మీ నో.
Yes.
ఐ హోప్ ఇట్స్ క్లియర్ టు యూ.
Yes.
అందరూ నాకు లెట్ మీ నో, ఎందుకంటే చాలా మంది ఇక్కడ ఇంట్రోవర్ట్స్ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళకి కొంచెం అడ్జస్ట్ చేయాలి. అర్థమైంది అందరికి?
Yes.
ఓకే, అందరూ ఎస్ అంటారు, ఎవరో ఒకరు ఉండిపోతారా? సో లెట్ మీ నో. ఆమ్రిన్, మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? సమృద్ధి, ప్రభాత్, ఎవ్రీవన్ ఇంతవరకు క్లియర్ అయితే ఓకే, లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఫర్దర్. ఐ థింక్ ద శ్రీమా, ఓకే, న్యూ గర్ల్, ఇస్ దర్ ఎనీ ఇష్యూ విత్ యూ? అర్థమవుతుందా?
No, Bhaiya. Yeah.
ఓకే,
Very fine.
done. So let's move further. I hope Seema will have a little issue because she haven't attended the first classes, right? So see out the PPTs or else check out the videos in the YouTube. You will understand the things. Okay, na? Clear? Even doubts unte clear chesko munde.
Okay. Bhaiya.
Done? Okay, let's move
Okay,
further.
Bhaiya.
I hope you have understood data and information, right? I hope it's understood to you.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
we are understanding in little more in detail. So see, డేటాలో నంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ 1 3 2 4. వీటిని ఇండివిజువల్ గా చూస్తే అర్థమవుతుందా? వీటిని ఇండివిజువల్ చూస్తే అర్థమవుతుందా? నో మీనింగ్, రైట్? ఇండివిజువల్ గా దానికి ఏ మీనింగ్ లేదు. బట్ వెన్ వి కంబైన్ దీస్ నంబర్స్ టుగెదర్, లైక్ దట్ ఈస్ కంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ డేటా, వీ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఆ ఫోన్ నంబర్, ఆ రోల్ నంబర్, ఆ ఎస్యూసి కోడ్. మీకు ఎస్యూసి కోడ్ ఇచ్చారా? నా SSC కోడ్ ఏమో 22 41210223. ఈ కోడ్ కొడితే నా డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని వచ్చేస్తాయని చెప్తున్నారు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద థింగ్ విచ్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ SUC కోడ్. ఐ హోప్ యూ ఆల్ గైస్ హ్యావ్ SUC కోడ్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? ఉంది కదా?
Yes,
Yes,
bro.
sir. Yes.
Plus phone number, these type of things which are after combination of data, like these are all collection of data, isn't it? Data ni collection చేస్తే అది ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్తుంది. ఆర్ ఆర్గనైజ్డ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ డేటా. నంబర్స్ ని ఎలా పడితే అలా పెట్టేకంటే ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసి పెడితే అది నంబర్ కింద కానీ ఫోన్ నంబర్ కింద కానీ తయారవుతుంది. అదే కానీ ఇండివిజువల్ గా చూస్తే దట్ ఈస్ రా ఫ్యాక్ట్స్. డేటా ఈస్ అ రా ఫ్యాక్ట్. అంతేనా? క్లియరా ఇంతవరకు? So I hope
Yes.
the concept of data and information is clear to you, isn't it?
Yes.
So let's move further. Yeah, let us understand what actually is digital data. మనం ఇప్పుడు యాక్చువల్ గా చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే కోడింగ్ చేస్తున్నాం, అంతే కదా, లైక్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ చేస్తాం. సో మనం ఫిజికల్ వరల్డ్ లో చూడం, ఫిజికల్ వరల్డ్ లో కాపీ చేయడం అలాంటివి చూడం కదా. వి విల్ ఫైండింగ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ డిజిటల్ ఫార్మ్, రైట్? డిజిటల్ గా చూస్తాం. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద డిజిటల్ డేటా వి ఆర్ అవైలబుల్ విత్? సి, we have in digital data we have numbers.
Bhaiya, your
Is it audible
voice
to
is
you?
breaking.
Is it clear right now? Let me know. Is it clear
Yes, bro.
right now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. See, there is a number. Okay. There are numbers. There are alphabets. There is a video format like MP4, isn't it? I think you know this codes. MP4, isn't it? We also have audio
Yes,
files.
Bhaiya.
We also have audio files which are
Yes.
MP3, isn't it? They are MP3. We have image like JPG, PNG, isn't it? IMG image. These are formats of image, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, and this is called a special symbol. Like these are special symbols like this: divide and asterisk, है ना? Multiplication, plus, minus, dollar का symbol, isn't it? And का symbol, हैश, स्लैश, फॉरवर्ड, बैकवर्ड, सारे जितने भी सिंबल्स अवेलेबल है दुनिया में, ठीक है? ऑल दीज आर स्पेशल सिंबल्स. अब ओके, लेट मी नो, डू एनीवन नोज रादर देन दीज थिंग्स, इसके अलावा कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन है क्या? इसके अलावा कोई डाटा है विच इज अवेलेबल ऑन द मार्केट? लेट मी नो. समृद्धि, यू आंसर मी.
No, Bhaiya.
इसके अलावा कुछ है डिजिटल फॉर्मेट में डाटा? लाइक इन फिजिकल लाइफ वी हैव ईयरबड्स, है फोन, है माउस, है सब, तो रियली वी हैव दैट, वी कैन टच देम, दीज आर आल्सो डाटा. बट in digital format do we have any sort of other data rather than this? नंबर के अलावा, अल्फाबेट के अलावा, वीडियो के अलावा, स्पेशल सिंबल के अलावा, इमेजेस के अलावा, इज देयर एनीथिंग rather than this?
No, Bhaiya.
Okay, so these are fixed, right? Rather than this there are no other data, isn't it? There is no other data than this. I hope it's clear to you.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's move further and understand the data types. See, we have understood what is data. Okay, we have understood what is actually data, and also we have understood uh, the types of data, isn't it? Like what are the available data types available on the market, isn't it? So let us understand the data types in C. Like what data types do C language do C language has? Okay, like it accepts only few things, like it doesn't accept everything. Okay, जैसे C language doesn't accept MP4 files or MP3 files. Okay na? इंतवा clear in the?
Okay. Yes.
Or else images like JPG or PNG type of things, it doesn't accept. I'm talking about core. I'm talking about core C, okay, not advanced C. Core C accept చేయదు. Done? Done?
Done.
Okay. See, this type of data in C language are divided into three. They are primary, or also known as primitive, derived, and user defined. These are three types of data types in C language. Okay, clear? These are also called as primitive data types. These are also called as primitive data types. I hope it's clear to you. Then we have derived. These are the data types which are derived from primitive data types. Okay, these are derived from primitive okay. Is it clear to you guys? till now?
Yes. Yes.
And these are user defined. These are created by user or programmer. Okay, I hope it's clear to you till now. These are created by us.
Yes.
We'll be creating it. Okay, we will create it. So this is the thing I wanted to explain you. So let us see what are the things available in this type of these things. Okay, so from the primitive type we create derived type, and from the derived type rather than this we have user defined, which are created by user for the its own purposes. Okay, so let us have some brief explanation of these things. So see, data types. Let us understand data types. See, data in the actual life we have three types. So in data in C language are of these. See, they are, it's a number. Okay, one is number, one is character. Okay, one is character. Okay ना, clear है इतना तक?
Okay.
Yes.
In character we have two. What are they? One is symbolic representation, symbols. Okay, and we have alphabets, okay now, clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, numbers, actually numbers are divided into many types like whole numbers, integers, है ना,
Yes.
rational numbers, irrational numbers. Number system, if you know, you may understand. But in C language we follow only few standards. Okay, let us understand what are the standards. See, firstly we have integer, which has minus numbers to, okay, let me clear you one thing, from minus infinity minus infinity to 0 and then plus infinity, isn't it? It's clear, this is the range of integer. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, integer mean okay, do you know what is actually integer, right? What is integer, do you know? This is the thing, they have plus values, 0 and negative values. Okay,
Okay.
then we
Okay.
have decimal values, or these are also called as rational or irrational numbers. Okay, let me know what is called p by q format. So if I want to write p by q format like this, anything in p by q format which has some sort of decimal thing like 1.235, what is the data type can be used in this place? In this place we use float. In this place we use what? Float. Float means
Float.
floating value points. Okay, float, we use float. Int is used for integer, float is used for irrational numbers. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Okay
Yes.
now, enter clear
Yes.
in the. So we will discuss these things in detail now. What are these things? And we'll discuss this thing in detail, and then we'll complete the class. Okay, then we'll introduce. See, these are the things which we have. So actually what I meant to explain you is okay, just a minute. So let us understand these things. See, before that I'll go back and understand, make you understand that. See, data types, we are just studying the primitive first. Okay, we are understanding the primitive, which are also known as basic. These are basics which are available in the C library only. These are basic data types or primary data types, also called as primary data types. Okay, I hope it's understanding. So in this we have these things, they are number or else numeric, we can call it numeric. Okay, then we have character, and also another thing we have, that is void. I'll let you know what is actually void. Okay, then in numeric we have two, that is integer and floating value, or irrational numbers floating value. Okay, in this we have two, that is signed. Okay, let me just make you understand with these things. That is signed, that which has minus, and unsigned, which has no sign. Also these things are similarly like that. We have a long double and a double. I'll let you know what these things are. Okay, In this, character is one of them and void is one of them. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Is it clear to you now? Till this? Till this?
Yes.
Is it clear till? Okay. So let's talk about one thing. Let's talk about these data types first, and we'll understand what actually data types are. See, data types are those which help us to make identify that what type of data is going to be inserted in the variable. Okay na, మనం వేరియబుల్ కంటైనర్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం కదా, కంటైనర్ లో ఎలాంటి డేటాని ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలో అది మనకి డేటా టైప్ అనేది చెప్తుంది. ఓకే, ఐ హోప్ ఇట్స్ క్లియర్ టు యూ. సో వీ హ్యావ్ దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డేటా టైప్స్ అవైలబుల్. దీనికంటే ఎక్కువ లేవు, ఇవే ఉన్నాయి సి లాంగ్వేజ్ లో. ఓకేనా? సో యూ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. సి, దీస్ ఆర్ ద థింగ్స్ అవైలబుల్. Character is the first. Unsigned character, short, unsigned short, integer, unsigned int, long, unsigned long, float, double, long double. Is it clear to you? Don't focus on these things. I'll help you whatever with this, but understand these are the data types. Okay?
Okay.
So what
Okay.
does this character store? What does this character store? This stores the special symbols on your keyboard. If you have a laptop right back you can see that there are symbols like what is called, this is called semi, what we call it, a full stop or what does it is called? Let me know if anyone knows what is the name of this.
Exclamatory.
Exclamation.
Exclamation. Okay, what is this?
At the rate.
Rate.
What is this?
Hashtag.
Hashtag.
What is this?
Dollar.
Dollar.
Asterisk.
Percentage. Ampersand.
Bracket.
Brackets and hyphen plus
Yes.
slash.
Yes.
Okay, I hope these are special symbols in your keyboard, right? Rather than this, we don't have anything. I hope so. This is the one, this is the one, this is the one, isn't it? And this is the one. Hopefully, these are the things which are available on the keyboard, isn't it? Clear?
Yes.
So all these come
Yes.
under character. All these come under character. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Also, plus with these from A to Z, in capital from A to Z, and also from small from A to Z. Okay. Is it clear till now? All the
Okay.
alphabets, all the special symbols are under character. Okay. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
So see, what has happened actually is this character has a size of what? Bytes. It is in a bytes. Okay. It has 1 byte. Is it clear to you? 1 byte. So let me ask a question. 1 byte has how many bits? How many bits does a 1 byte has?
8 bits.
8 bits.
Bits.
Exactly. In a strip of memory, it is locating 8 bits of storage. Okay. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Done. This is what I wanted to explain you, and the same thing is going with this. See, unsigned character is nothing but a character with signed. ठीक है? I'll explain you in later. Before that, just understand character is something which has these all characters which I have mentioned, and then we are going to understand this one. Okay, short. Short is something which is like integer only, but has a range little low range. See, you can in the short you can write from 0 to 6,600 and 6,000. Okay, 0 to 65,535 numbers. Okay, more than this you can't write. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Integer is something which has 2 bytes. Okay, this is the format of 32-bit computer. Let me write the correct one. This takes 4 bytes. Okay, it takes 4 bytes, and this is the range. Unsigned int. For unsigned, see, unsigned and signed is nothing. In unsigned, we doesn't have any sign. In signed, we have minus. Okay.
Okay.
See, what I mean to say is, see, in the unsigned, we doesn't have negative numbers, so it's starting from 0. But in integer, which is actually signed integer, he has minus numbers from here. See, minus from, it is starting from the minus and ending at plus. Okay.
Bhaiya,
Is it
voice
clear?
is breaking.
Voice is breaking.
It's breaking.
Is it
Yeah,
breaking now?
a lot.
बहुत ज़्यादा?
No.
No. Now it's okay.
Is it
Then
clear
it
now?
was breaking while you were explaining. Yes.
Okay, is it clear right now,
Now
right?
it's clear, bro.
Okay, see,
Yes, bro.
okay, see, unsigned means nothing. It has no sign. Okay, so when has no sign, it means it doesn't have minus sign. So when it doesn't have minus sign, it means that there will be no minus numbers, isn't it? So it's starting from zero. See here, it's starting from zero, right? Zero to 65,000 and all. Is it clear right now?
Yes.
But in the
Yes.
integer, but in the integer, it is signed, which means it has negative numbers. So it is starting from minus. Okay.
Okay.
Then we
Okay.
have long. Long is nothing but extra the more numbers of it. The more numbers of it. It is like long will take 8 bytes. It is the representation of 32-bit computer. I think you all guys have 64-bit computer, isn't it?
Yes.
So this is the things you can all check out these things. Okay, let us understand what is actually float. Float is nothing but this type of numbers. 1.00, 2.56 and all. Okay, is it clear right now?
Okay.
Yeah. So let us understand
Yes.
what is. Yeah, any doubts here? Any doubts here? Anyone has a doubts in this place?
No.
Okay. See, for these representation, we have some symbols. Like see, for KB, what is meant by KB? Kilobyte, right? MB means what?
Megabyte.
Exactly, megabyte. Similarly, the character in C language is represented by this percentage C. Okay,
Okay.
short is represented as percentage D. Done, done.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you can also check out all for the all things. I'm not going to tell you everything, but just see that all the things. Okay.
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 Okay, so let's move further and understand the things in more detail and we'll end the class. Okay, so let's have the syntax and all. So let's create a variable and input data. Okay, let's create a variable and then we will be inputting some data into it and let's understand what actually a variable is. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, everyone open your
Okay.
VS Code or Replit in your system. I hope it's clear to you. Open your Replit or else VS Code. Open yourself. After opening, let me know that you have opened it. Okay. Did you have opened it? VS Code or Replit? Let me know as you open it. Opened? So I am also just opening the
Yes.
VS Code to you. See, I have opened my VS Code. If you are not available with the VS Code, simply you can open your Replit. Okay, clear?
Huh.
Is my screen visible to you? Let me know.
No.
No, right? Okay, just a minute. I'll show you. Is it visible now? Is my VS Code visible to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, done. So what you need to do is simply write these things. Okay, till now it's clear, right? You can write these things. Firstly, write these things. Include studio.h and int main and all. Okay, did you write this much?
Yes.
Now write int. Okay, let's create a variable of data type int. A int a is equals, okay, int a and write semicolon. Done. Did you have run it?
Yes.
So see, దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వేరియబుల్ డిక్లరేషన్ రా. ఓకేనా? ఇలా రాసామనుకో, జస్ట్ ఇంట్ ఏ అండ్ సెమికోలన్ పెడితే దీన్ని వేరియబుల్ డిక్లరేషన్ అంటారు. ఐల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ విత్ అన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రైట్ నౌ. సి వాట్ ఈస్ యాక్చువల్లీ వేరియబుల్ డిక్లరేషన్. ఐ లెట్ యూ నో. జస్ట్ అ మినిట్. Oh god, this fucking internet. Okay, see guys, the syntax is data type. Firstly you need to write data type. Okay, respond, no one is responding.
Yes.
Then you need to write
Yes,
variable
yes.
name. Then you need to write variable name. What we have done in example, we have written an integer data type. See, I hope you have got the data types right. It is a numeric data type, so we are writing int. Okay, and the variable name is a, and also we have kept a semicolon like this, isn't it? We have kept a semicolon. Done? Clear?
Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this created a variable. See what did happened after writing this. This created a variable of integer naming a in the memory. Like, let us hope our memory is like this inside our computer. Okay, inside our computer the memory is like this. Okay now,
Okay.
and it has
Okay.
something like this. It has something like this. These are bits, isn't it? These are bits. Antena?
Yes.
What is
Yes.
the storage of integer? 4 bytes. Antena? 4 bytes.
Yes.
So ఒక byte length ఉంటాయి a variable, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
What did this thing do is, in the computer we have a memory strip like this which has some sort of bytes, and integer has a byte storage of 4 byte. Integer has a byte storage of 4 byte, that is size of integer. So it will take size of 4 byte. Let us assume 4 byte means kitna? 4 into kitne ho jayenge? 8, right? What is the value? Yeah,
32.
I didn't get. 13.
32.
32.
32. So 32 bits like this, 1 2 3 and more, nearly 32. Okay, 32 bit will be carried. Okay, clear to you?
Yes.
Yes.
And that 32 will be
Yes.
named as a, and that 32 will be named as a, and the location of this will be in a some place. Okay, in a computer some place. When we click a, it is naming that 32 bits. Okay now, enter clear in the.
Okay.
Yes.
This is the
Yes.
thing which what I
Yes.
meant explaining. Okay, done. Let's move further. Okay, let's understand what is initialization, declaration, and defining. So see, in the previous one we have just simply created it, but now we are gonna give a value to it. Okay, I hope it's understanding to you. So let's go to the VS Code first. Let's open our VS Code and let's simply open the VS Code. Okay, everyone opened VS Code? Everyone
Yes.
opened your VS Code? Okay. Now one thing, you write just simply a equal to symbol and give 10. Whatever you can. Okay, it's not a big deal. You can give 5, 10, whatever. Done? Hopefully it is clear to you. I
Yes.
think so. Okay now. This is called initialization. Okay, this is called definition. Okay now.
Okay.
Okay, this is called definition. If we are giving the data type here itself and also the value to the variable here itself, it is called definition. Now I'm not going to do this thing. What I'm going to do is, see, I'm just rubbing the a value and I have just simply declared. What I mean to say is, okay, let's keep the thing. Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Okay, see, this is definition. Let me explain you one thing. Int a, and this is called declaration. Okay, and then we have another more thing. Okay, that is called a, sorry, a equal to int, there is a, and I am just assigned it and I am saying it int a equal to int int a equal to 10. So this is the thing what I wanted to explain you. See, this is called initialization. Okay, clear to you what I actually things are? See, if we just simply write the variable name and the data type, it is called declaration. Clear?
Okay.
If we write the value with the data type, that is int, that is called definition. Okay.
Okay.
If we just give the value before we just simply declare and then we give the data type the value, then it is called initialization. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Yeah. This is the thing what I wanted to explain you. Now what you need to do is simply we need to print it. We need to give the output to the screen. What we will do? We will take the output in three ways. Okay, we will take the output in three ways. I have took this and then write printf. All of you write this thing similarly. Are you writing it?
Yes.
Yes.
Then plus and then a. Done till now? Did you do this? Did you done this? Similarly, write this thing. We'll understand what actually we have written it. Did you wrote it? Let me know if you have written.
Bhaiya,
Chepu.
can I know why we keep plus
I'll let you know.
percentile liter? Okay.
Done?
Okay.
Done? Okay. Sorry for the trouble because in Java we keep plus. I have forgot it. Actually, I am just practicing Java right now. So it was the error. Okay, done. This is the comma. Done? Clear to you? This thing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let's everyone run it. Let's everyone run it. I am running the code. And what did I got is see. This is the output that I got. The value of A is 10. Isn't it?
Yes.
Did you all guys got the same thing?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let's go to the PPT and understand what I wanted to say. Yeah. This is the PPT where I wanted to show you things. See. Let's get C. This is the statement which we have done it, right? Ilana kadrasam. Int A is equals to 10. Kada. Andena? సో ఇదేంటి దీని ఏమంటారు డిక్లరేషనా ఇనిషియలైజేషనా లేకపోతే డెఫినేషనా దీని ఏమంటారు
Definition.
definition good definition means see how we write definitions in normal life like let us assume that there is a word called mom. Okay, mom, we write the name, we give it, and then we write mother of son. Let us assume that this is the definition of something, mother of son. So the thing is what the question is, that is also written and the meaning of it is also written, isn't it? Is this the format of definition? Ante kada. Similarly to that also this thing is like we also give the variable data type, the variable name, and also the value with the equal to. This is called definition. Done? I hope it's clear to you.
Okay.
సో నెక్స్ట్ దాంట్లో మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే మనం దాన్ని ప్రింట్ చేస్తున్నాం. లెట్స్ అండర్స్టాండ్ హౌ వీ కెన్ ప్రింట్. సి ప్రింటింగ్ ఇన్ సి లాంగ్వేజ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ సింపుల్. ప్రింట్ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ అ ఫంక్షన్, అంతేనా? తెలుసు కదా ఫంక్షన్ కదా అది. ప్రింట్ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ అ ఫంక్షన్ విచ్ మీన్స్ టిల్ దిస్ ఇస్ ప్రింట్ అండ్ ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఫంక్షన్. క్లియర్? ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లం?
Okay. No.
Okay.
Is there error? Go address percentile.
Yeah, sorry. There will be a percentage here, and okay, there is a written problem
Percentile
here.
D.
Yeah, there is a problem of I think so editing problem. I'll explain you. Just don't focus on it. I'll just edit it. Okay. Here you should get a percentage, and there should be D, and from after comma you should get a A. Okay, clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
See, print is a statement and f is called function. So f state represents function. ఓకేనా? ఎంతవరకు అర్థమైందా? ఈ printf స్టేట్మెంట్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఇందులో ఉన్నదాన్ని ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది అలాగా. సో సెమికోలన్ లాన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఈజ్ అని చెప్పేసి అంతా కూడా కరెక్ట్ గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఈక్వల్ టు కూడా కరెక్ట్ గానే వస్తుంది. ఈ పర్సెంటేజ్ డి ఏంటి మీకు గుర్తుందా? చెప్పాను కదా, క్యారెక్టర్ కి ఏం వాడతాం? క్యారెక్టర్ కి సి వాడతాం, పర్సెంటేజ్ సి. అలానే ఇంటీజర్ కి ఏం వాడతాం? పర్సెంటేజ్ డి. ఓకేనా? ఒకటి చెప్తున్నా మీకు, క్యారెక్టర్ కి సి వాడారు కదా అనియా, మరి అలాంటప్పుడు ఇంటీజర్ కి ఐ వాడొచ్చు కదా, డి ఎందుకు వాడుతున్నారని డౌట్ వచ్చింది ఎప్పుడైనా?
Yes.
వచ్చే ఉంటది
Yes.
ప్రాబ్లీ, నాకు కూడా వచ్చింది. సో లెట్ మీ క్లియర్ యూ వన్ థింగ్. సి, మీకు డెసిమల్ అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసా? డెసిమల్
into 10.
నో, ఇట్ మీన్స్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఇంటూ 10. బేస్ 10 ఉంటుంది కదా, దాన్నే అంటారు కదా బేస్ 10. ఇంటూ 10 అని అర్థం. సో దీని అర్థం ఏంటంటే మన నంబర్స్ దోస్ నంబర్స్ విచ్ హ్యావ్ ద రేంజ్ ఫ్రమ్ 0 to 9, అంతేనా? 0 to 9 ఉన్న వాటిని బేస్ 10 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకి డెసిమల్ నెంబర్స్ వస్తాయి. సో ఇంటీజర్ లో అన్ని కూడా ఏంటి? డెసిమల్ నెంబర్సే కదా. -1, 0, -1 చూస్తే ఏ నెంబర్ అయినా సరే అందులో 80 అన్ని కూడా డెసిమల్సే కదా, అంతేనా? సో డెసిమల్ కాబట్టి మనం పర్సెంటేజ్ డి వాడతాం. ఓకేనా? పర్సెంటేజ్ డి ఎందుకు వాడతాం అంటే అది యాక్చువల్ గా డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ కాబట్టి. ఐ హోప్ ఇట్స్ క్లియర్ టు యూ. ఓకేనా?
Yes.
సో దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ పర్సెంటేజ్ డి హియర్. అంటే ఇక్కడ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఎక్కడ పెడతామంటే ఈ మనకి ఫార్మాట్ స్పెసిఫైర్ అంటారు దీన్ని. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ దీన్ని ఫార్మాట్ స్పెసిఫైర్ అంటారు. డన్. వాట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్? ఫార్మాట్.
Format specifier.
Exactly, format specifiers. These are called format specifiers. At these places, format specifier place లో అక్కడ పెడతాం ఎక్కడైతే మనకు ఆ వాల్యూ కావాలో. సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు మనం VS Code లో వెళ్ళాం అనుకో, ఒకసారి లెట్స్ గో టు VS Code and understand. See, where we have kept the ఎక్కడైతే మనం చూడండి ఇక్కడ, ఎక్కడైతే మనం జస్ట్ అ మినిట్, ఎక్కడైతే నేను చూసారా ఇక్కడ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఇక్కడే కదా పెట్టాను, ఈ ప్లేస్ లో పెట్టాను, అంతేనా? ఇక్కడ పెట్టాను. ఇక్కడ కూడా అక్కడే కదా వచ్చింది వాల్యూ. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ చూడండి, ఎక్కడైతే నేను పర్సెంటేజ్ డి పెట్టానో అక్కడే కదా వచ్చింది వాల్యూ. మాట్లాడండి, అందరూ మాట్లాడరు చేయరు. ఓకేనా? సో ఒక పని చేద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తానంటే ఈ పర్సెంటేజ్ డి ఇక్కడి నుంచి తీసి వాల్యూ పక్కన పెడుతున్నాను. ఓకేనా? అందకలకి. ఓకే, క్లియర్?
Yes.
Okay.
ఏం చేసి అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ పెట్టా, ఇక్కడ నుంచి తీసి ఇక్కడ పెట్టాను. Let us see what happens. I'm running it again. Let's see what happens. రన్ చేసా. I have run the program. ఏమైంది? వాల్యూ ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది చూసారా? ఎక్కడైతే పర్సెంటేజ్ డి పెట్టానో అక్కడే వచ్చింది కదా వాల్యూ. ముందు దాంట్లో ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది, కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ పెట్టాను? వాల్యూ పక్కన పెట్టాను కాబట్టి వాల్యూ పక్కన వచ్చింది, అంతేనా?
Okay.
ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ ట్రై చేద్దాం, ఇంకొకసారి ట్రై చేద్దాం. ఇక్కడ నుంచి తీసి ఫస్ట్ లో పెడుతున్నా, ఎగ్జామ్ స్టార్టింగ్ లో. ఓకేనా? పర్సెంటేజ్ డి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు రన్ చేసి చూద్దాం ఏమవుతుందో. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది చూసారా? చూడండి ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది వాల్యూ.
వాల్యూ పక్కన వచ్చింది.
ఒక్క నిమిషం, ఇది సేవ్ అవ్వలేదు. జస్ట్ అ మినిట్. ఓకే, ఒక్క నిమిషమే. అండ్ నౌ we are going to save it and run it again. See, ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందో చూద్దాం. ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది వాల్యూ చూసారా? ఫస్ట్ లో వచ్చింది కదా, చూడు ఇక్కడ. సో దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్, దీస్ ఆర్ ఫార్మాట్ స్పెసిఫైయర్స్. మనకి ఎక్కడైతే ఆ వాల్యూ కావాలో, ఈ వాల్యూ ఎక్కడైతే కావాలో అక్కడ పెడతాం. ఓకేనా? ప్రింట్ఎఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ లోనే ఈ డబుల్ కొటేషన్స్ లోనే ఉండాలి. ఓకేనా? ఈ పర్సెంటేజ్ డి మాత్రం. డన్. దెన్ మనకి ఏ వేరియబుల్ అయితే కావాలో దానికోసం ఈ పక్కన కామా పెట్టి ఆ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ రాస్తాం. ఒక్కసారి కొంచెం క్లియర్ చేసుకుందాం దీన్ని. సి, ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ ఏం చేద్దాం అంటే ఇంకొక వేరియబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేద్దాం. ఒక్క నిమిషం, జస్ట్ మినిట్. ఓకే, సి, లెట్స్ క్రియేట్ అనదర్ వేరియబుల్ నేమింగ్ ఇట్ బి అండ్ హ్యాస్ అ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ 20. అర్థమైంది ఇక్కడ ఏం చేశాను గైస్? క్లియర్?
Yes.
సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే ఇక్కడ నేను వేరియబుల్
Yes.
పేరు ఏ తీసేసి బి పెడుతున్నా. ఓకేనా? ఏ తీసి బి పెట్టాను. డన్. డన్.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే మళ్ళీ రన్ చేస్తున్నా. చూడండి ఏమవుతుంది, చూసారు ఏమవుతుందో? ఏమైంది ఇక్కడ? చూడు
20.
అర్థమైందా? ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 20 వచ్చేసింది. ఎందుకంటే
B
ఇక్కడ
lot
నేను
value A
వేరియబుల్
lot
మార్చేసాను. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మనకి ఇప్పుడు రెండు ఇంటిజరే కదా, ఫార్మాట్ స్పేసిఫైర్ అయితే సేమ్, కానీ ఏ వాల్యూ కావాలో ఆ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ రాస్తాం. క్లియరా? ఇంతవరకు క్లియర్ అయిందా?
Yes.
ఓకే, ఐ హోప్ ఇట్స్ క్లియర్ టు యూ. ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం ఎండ్ చేసేద్దాం క్లాస్ ని. జస్ట్ అ మినిట్ అండ్ దెన్ విల్ ఎండ్ ద క్లాస్. ఓకే, జస్ట్ అ మినిట్ అండ్ దెన్ విల్ ఎండ్ ద క్లాస్. సో ఐ హోప్ యూ హ్యావ్ అండర్స్టూడ్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్, హౌ టు డిక్లేర్, హౌ టు ఇనిషియలైజ్ అండ్ హౌ టు ఇజంట్ ఇట్ ప్రింట్ దెమ్. అర్థమైంది ఎంతవరకు? చూసారు కదా ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఎలా రాసాము? గైస్ ఆన్సర్ మీ. సో ఐ హోప్ ఇవాళ క్లాస్ కొంచెం లాంగ్ అయింది, బట్ ఐ హోప్ దట్ యూ హావ్ అండర్స్టూడ్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? అర్థమైంది కదా కాన్సెప్ట్?
Yes,
Yes.
bro.
ఓకే, లెట్స్ హావ్ అ స్మాల్ టెస్ట్. ఓకేనా? ఓరల్ టెస్ట్ లైట్ గా. డన్. కొంచెం అడుగుదాం. ఐ హోప్ ఇట్స్ క్లియర్ టు యూ. వేరియబుల్ ఏంటి, వేరియబుల్ లో వాల్యూ ఎలా స్టోర్ చేస్తారు, ప్రింటింగ్ ఎలా చేస్తారు అన్ని అర్థమే కదా క్లియర్ గా. కొంచెం పెద్దదైంది వీడియో, బట్ యూ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్ దిస్ థింగ్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. డన్.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so let's have a small test. Prasanna, I have you.
Yes.
So I'm asking a question to you. Okay,
Okay.
the question is, let me have a question, just a minute. Okay, let me know. Yeah. Okay, let me know one thing. Okay, what is actually a compiler? Can you answer me?
A compiler is like a translator which translates the byte source code to the byte code or the object code.
Bytecode?
No, it's object code, Ani. Sorry. Source code
Yeah.
to the object code.
Very good. Bytecode is also available, but in C language we get only object code. Okay, bytecode is in Java.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Good, very good. Okay, next I have okay, you only answer me. Okay, just wait, you only answer me. What is linker?
Okay.
What is the work of linker?
Linker is something that acts like a catalyst, or it is something that helps to link the header files to the object file.
Super, very good. Nextly I have okay, who else have answered now? Let me know who is answered now. Who have answered now? Gayatri, did you answer?
No.
Okay, Gayatri, you open your mic. Let's have a question to you. Okay, the question is, okay, let me know what is header file. Hello.
It is a file which have details of function.
Okay, what is called console? What is console?
Output screen.
Good. Okay, let us ask question to Samriddhi. Open your mic, Samriddhi.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay, what is a variable? What is a variable?
A variable is something in which we can store the data or value. It
Okay,
is a multiplication, we can say.
good, very good. Okay, nextly, okay, can you name any two tokens which are available in C?
Keyword, identifier, constants,
Wow,
string.
good. That's it. It's okay. Done. Thank you. Then we have Amreen with us. Amreen, you can open your mic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. The question is, can I know what actually data is? What is actually data? What is data?
It is some raw facts or unorganized facts,
Okay, good. Very good.
or the
Very good.
input we give to the computer.
Very good. Super. Very good. I like the thing. Very good. Okay. Then the question is to you only. Okay. Then the question is, can we change the name of the variable?
Yes, we can change the name of the variable.
Very good. Okay. Okay, let me know you from you only. What is a variable? What is actually a variable?
Variable is something that stores the data and we can name it, and it has a location and a limit or size depending on the type of input or the data we are giving. It stores the data according to the size or input we are giving, and it has a
Okay.
name and it stores data and knows the location of the data.
Superb, superb. Okay, superb. Okay, nextly we have okay. Nextly we have Prabhat with us. Prabhat, open your mic.
हाँ भैया.
Okay. Let me know many some sources of data, like where we can store data. Few sources of data, like where we can store data. Inside what?
In variables. In variables.
In variables. I am
हाँ.
asking in physical life, like memory card and all. Give me 5 names of storage.
Pen drive,
Huh?
memory,
Okay.
mobile, laptop, computer.
No, 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 no. These are like devices, bro. You need to understand that
Okay.
SSD, solid state drive, HDD, hard disk, pen drive, servers, memory cards.
Okay.
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 Okay, it's okay. Okay, let me know one thing. What is a bit? What is a bit?
Bit is a storage
Okay. Anything else
which
about it?
stores the data.
Good. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Prabhat. Nextly, we have Kavya. Open your mic. Okay. Let me know one thing. Let me know one thing that what is actually bit?
It stores the memory.
Okay. It stores the memory. Done. Okay. Let me know one thing. If we have 4 bytes, okay. If we have 2 bytes, listen.
Huh.
Hello. If we have 2 bytes, how much data is gonna store? Of how many bits it's gonna store in a memory?
Your voice is breaking.
I mean to ask you that if we have 2 bytes, what is the storage in memory? How many bits will it store?
16.
Okay, good. You can off your mic. Next, we have Yamuna with us.
Yes.
Okay, Yamuna, answer me. Any four data types? Any 4 data types in C language?
Uh, Types of data types.
Yeah, exactly. Types of data types.
The first one is primary data type or
Okay, good.
basic or primitive, and the next
Okay,
one is derived.
good.
Third one is user defined.
Very good. Very good. Okay, name any one or any two primitive data types or primary data types. Any two.
Integer, other number or
Okay.
character.
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Then we have who else left? Prasanna, did you answer?
Yes.
Okay. I hope there is someone who have left. I think so in the middle only. Okay, done. Gayatri, BCA. Everyone have answered. Who else have not answered? Let me know, please. It's not visible. There are like nearly 11 members who haven't had the question. Can I know?
They left.
Okay.
Srimuki.
Srimukhi,
Uh,
Nautnawa. Okay,
girl
done.
Shri-
Okay,
Shrima
let's have a
also.
question to you. Shrima also. Shrima is not available, I think so here. Isn't it? She is available? No?
No.
Okay. Okay, it's okay. Let's have that thing. Let's have a question. To Srimukhi. Srimukhi, are you available? उन्नावा।
उन लोग लिफ्ट कर चुके हैं, श्रीमुखी, दीप्तिका और श्रीमा।
Okay, so let's end the class. I think so it's completed. I hope you have understood. Done?
Yes.
Any doubts? Any
Yes.
doubts? Let me know.
No, भैया.
Good. How was
भैया
today's
प्रोग्राम
class?
रन करने के बाद
Yeah. समृद्धि बताओ. Who was that?
भैया प्रसन्ना भैया ये
Okay.
प्रोग्राम रन करने के बाद आउटपुट नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब एक यूजर डिफाइंड वो सी सिग्मा आ रहा है, मतलब और कोई कमांड्स लिखना है क्या नीचे?
कुछ नहीं लिखना है. तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आई हैव अंडरस्टूड. तुम्हारा एक्टिवेशन कोड एंड ऑल ना थोड़ा सा एरर है. उसको एक काम करो,
हाँ.
अनइंस्टॉल इट. ठीक है, प्रॉपरली अनइंस्टॉल कर दो. mingw अनइंस्टॉल कर दो, सब कुछ अनइंस्टॉल कर दो, फिर से प्रॉपरली इंस्टॉल करो. ओके, एंड देन अगेन सेट द
ओके
पाथ. डन.
ओके
ट्राई
ओके
इट वंस एंड यू विल गेट द आउटपुट. ओके, और तुम्हारा थोड़ा सुनो, एक्सटेंशंस डाउनलोड करो. वीएस कोड के एक्सटेंशंस होते हैं सी प्लस प्लस के रिलेटेड में, उनको
हाँ
डाउनलोड कर लो, हो
डाउनलोड
जाएगा.
कर दिया. हाँ
ओके, अनइंस्टॉल करके फिर से एक बार इंस्टॉल करके देखो, इट विल वर्क. ओके.
ओके ओके.
भैया
हाँ बताओ.
भैया मिंजी डब्ल्यू तो कंट्रोल पैनल से अनइंस्टॉल हो ही नहीं रहा है वो तो.
हाँ वो अनइंस्टॉल नहीं हो रहा है.
कंपाइलर प्रॉब्लम तुम लोगों का हो रहा होगा. ओके. ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, कल तो संडे है, मंडे को मिलते हैं. ठीक है, मंडे करेंगे. तब तक तुम लोग ना रेपलिट पे ट्राई करो, रेपलिट पे तब तक करते रहो. वी विल डू समथिंग फॉर द वीएस कोड. डन.
यस
ओके
ओके.
भैया.
हाँ, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स, कुछ इश्यूज बता सकते हो अगर है तो.
कल क्लासेस है क्या भैया?
क्या भाई?
कल क्लासेस है क्या?
कल क्लास नहीं है, संडे है ना. कल एक दिन तो छुट्टी देने भाई, मैं तो मर जाऊंगा यार, पीपीटी बना बना के तुम लोग क्लास पढ़ा पढ़ा
नहीं
के.
नहीं, मंडे से मिड है ना.
भैया मंडे से एग्जाम्स है.
मंडे से क्लास बंद जब तक मिड है तुम्हारा. ठीक है, बस और कुछ?
और कुछ नहीं.
बस, और कुछ देना है तो बोलो, दान कर देता हूँ तुम लोगों को वो भी.
ना ना, थैंक यू.
हाँ ठीक है, कल मंडे से बंद रहेगा जब तक तुम्हारा मिड चल रहा है. मिड के बाद जैसे क्लासेस हो जाते हैं, ठीक है, एक दिन छुट्टी देके फिर स्टार्ट करेंगे. डन.
हाँ
मिड खत्म होने के बाद एक दिन एक्स्ट्रा छुट्टी रहेगा, उसके बाद स्टार्ट करते हैं. ठीक है ना?
मिड सैटरडे को खत्म होगा भैया, फिर संडे तो छुट्टी रहेगा ही जैसे आपने बोला.
छुट्टी रहेगा ही.
मंडे से
हाँ
क्लास.
ठीक है, मंडे से कंटिन्यू करेंगे, फिर एक वीक मान के चलो. ठीक है, हफ्ता भर छुट्टी ले लेते हैं. ठीक.
हाँ.
हाँ, आज का क्लास कैसा था? लेट मी नो द फीडबैक. ठीक था? समझ में आया कॉन्सेप्ट्स, क्या क्या
बहुत
बोल रहा
अच्छे.
हूँ मैं? ठीक है, चलो बढ़िया. चलो ठीक है, अभी मैं थोड़ी देर में विनर्स अनाउंस करूंगा फॉर द लोगो. ठीक है,
ओके
और
भैया.
नेक्स्ट वाले टेस्ट के लिए भी पार्टिसिपेट वगैरह करते रहना. ठीक है,
ओके.
चलो फिर निकलते हैं. बाय, टाटा. खाना वाना
बाय
खाओ.
भैया.
गुड
बाय.
नाइट. बाय बाय. गुड नाइट एवरीवन.